Wait, before we start, let me ask you something honest.
Okay. I'm listening.
Do you ever feel like you know what to say, but the words don't come out?
Yes. All the time.
Not sometimes.
No. Almost always.
Emma, that moment is not random.
It feels random.
It isn't.
Then what is it?
It's a habit.
A habit.
Yes, a silent one. By the way, hi everyone. I'm Robert.
And I'm Emma. If this feels familiar, you're not alone.
Stay with us, because today we're not talking about grammar.
Not vocabulary either.
We're talking about the real reason why your voice disappears exactly when you need it.
Robert, can I be honest?
Always.
Sometimes I feel stupid.
Say that again.
I feel stupid when I can't speak.
That sentence right there. That's where the problem starts.
So it's not my English?
No,
Not my accent?
no.
Then what?
It's the way you talk to yourself before you speak. Emma, what do you usually say in your head?
Don't make a mistake.
Exactly.
Is that bad?
It sounds helpful, but it creates fear.
So I scare myself?
Yes,
Before anyone else does?
every time. Your brain hears danger. Danger shuts down language.
That explains the blank mind.
Exactly. Remember this sentence. You don't freeze because you're bad. You freeze because you care too much.
That hits hard.
In the next part, we'll break down the exact second when control is lost.
That tiny second?
Yes,
I want to understand that.
good. Because once you see it, you can change it. All right, Emma, let's slow this down.
Okay.
I want you to remember the exact moment before you freeze.
That split second?
Yes, that one. What happens first?
My body reacts.
How?
My shoulders tighten. My breath gets shallow.
Good. That's important. Most people think they freeze because of thoughts, but it starts in the body.
So my body panics first?
Exactly, Emma. Let me ask you this. Do you stop breathing fully?
Yes. I didn't notice before.
That's the trigger. When breath becomes short, the brain thinks danger.
Even if nothing is happening?
Even then,
So I lose control before I even speak.
yes,
That feels unfair.
it's automatic, not personal. Here's the good news. Anything automatic can be retrained.
That gives me hope.
When you feel the freeze starting, don't speak yet.
Okay.
Exhale slowly.
Like this?
Yes, long out breath. Let's do it together. Exhale. Good. Again.
My chest feels lighter.
That's control returning. Long exhale tells the brain, I'm safe.
So my voice comes back?
Naturally. Imagine someone asks you a question.
At work?
Yes, or anywhere.
I usually rush.
This time, don't. Pause. Breathe out. Then speak.
Even one word?
Especially one word. Use safe sounds.
Like what?
Well, let me see.
Those count?
they're powerful.
I always thought those made me sound weak.
They make you sound human. Emma, remember this. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is comfort.
That changes everything.
In the next part, we'll build a daily routine to lock this in.
Daily? Not complicated?
Simple. 10 minutes.
I can do that.
All right, Emma. Now we build the routine.
I'm ready.
Not a big one,
Good.
a repeatable one. 10 minutes.
That's it?
That's enough.
Every day?
Yes, every day. First rule, Emma. No fixing grammar.
Really?
Really.
That makes me uncomfortable.
Good. Growth lives there. Minute 1. You speak to no one.
Like talking to myself?
Exactly.
What do I say?
Anything simple. Describe your morning
Out loud?
out loud. I woke up. I made coffee. I feel tired.
That feels silly.
It trains safety. Your brain hears your voice and learns speaking is safe,
Even if no one listens?
especially then. Minute 3. You add pauses.
On purpose?
Yes. Speak one sentence, then stop.
I usually hate silence.
We're changing that.
Silence feels calmer when I choose it.
Exactly, Emma. Minute 5. Repeat the same story.
The same one?
Yes.
Won't that be boring?
No. It removes pressure. Fluency comes from familiarity, not from new words.
That's different from how I studied before. I always tried to sound smart and froze.
Now you sound comfortable. Minute 7. Ask yourself one question.
Any question?
Simple ones. How was my day? What did I enjoy?
And I answer?
Slowly.
I enjoyed the walk. I felt calm.
Perfect. Emma, notice something.
I didn't freeze.
Because there was no threat. Last minute. You end with one sentence.
Which one?
I'm allowed to speak slowly.
I'm allowed to speak slowly.
Say it again tomorrow
And the next day?
until it feels normal. Remember this. Confidence is practiced in private before it appears in public.
That feels true.
In the next part, we'll take this routine into real conversations.
With real people?
Yes, and without panic. Emma, now we take this outside.
Real people?
Real people.
This is where I panic.
That's normal.
My heart speeds up.
Good. Notice it. Before you speak, name the feeling.
In my head,
Yes,
I feel nervous.
perfect. When you name it, the feeling loses power.
So I don't fight it?
Exactly, Emma. Imagine someone says, "So, what do you think?"
That question kills me.
Not anymore. First, pause.
Just silence?
Yes. Exhale slowly.
Like we practiced.
Exactly. Then start with safety.
What do I say?
Simple. I think
That's enough?
that's control.
I don't feel rushed.
Because you're leading now. One sentence only.
Not a long answer?
No. Stop early.
That feels strange.
It builds curiosity. You don't need to finish perfectly. You need to stay present.
I always chased perfect.
That's why stress won.
Robert, this feels kinder.
Because it is. And if you freeze again, do this.
I'm listening.
Smile.
Smile?
Yes. It relaxes your face and signals safety.
Even if I'm scared?
Especially then. Emma, remember this. You don't control others. You control your pace.
That feels powerful.
In the final part, we'll lock this in with a daily life formula.
So it sticks?
So it becomes you.
All right. Emma, let's lock this in.
I want it to stay.
It will, if you live it. Every day has 3 moments: morning, midday, evening.
Okay.
Morning comes first, before your phone.
That's hard.
Just 1 minute. You say 1 sentence.
Out loud?
Out loud. Today, I speak slowly.
Today, I speak slowly.
Your brain listens most when it wakes up.
So I plant the idea early?
Exactly, Emma. Midday is real life.
Work, people, stress.
Perfect training ground. 1 interaction only.
Just one?
Yes. You pause. You breathe out. You speak 1 sentence.
No more?
No more.
That feels doable.
Because it is. Evening is reflection.
I usually criticize myself.
We stop that. Ask 1 question.
Which one?
What went well?
Even something small?
Especially small. Your brain remembers what you repeat.
So I train confidence at night too?
Yes. Emma, this is important. Stop saying, I'm bad at speaking.
That's hard to let go.
Replace it. Say, I'm learning to speak calmly.
I'm learning to speak calmly. That feels lighter.
Because it removes judgment. Fluency is not talent. It's permission.
Permission to be slow?
Permission to be human. Remember this forever. Your voice was never broken. It was just waiting for safety.
I feel that.
Emma, what will you do tomorrow?
I'll pause. I'll breathe. And I'll speak.
That's enough. That's progress. That's confidence.
Thank you, Robert.
And to everyone listening, you don't need to change who you are. You only need to feel safe being heard.